Is Adobe reporting the Imaging Engine Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before we start the Imaging Engine library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Imaging Engine library, the Adobe Imaging Engine core. It manages the unmanaged hardware-accelerated rendering of image data. It facilitates the orchestration of complex visual manifestations and provides high-performance data links for Photoshop assets. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Imagingengine is distributed specifically with Adobe and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Adobe to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Imaging Engine library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. A quick warning, many sites offering Imaging Engine Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Imaging Engine Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Imaging Engine Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.